In class 3, I only mention the calculation of a drug power. All those things of the before classes which I discussed is same. So main important thing is the preparation of calculation of a drug power. So for preparation of a drug power, we have to take in the principle, and our principle says that the 2 part of the weight of alcohol with it 1 part of the plant part. Why 2 part of the alcohol? Before of this class we always discuss that vehicle is less than the drug substance, but here the vehicle is more. This is the main things which makes this class exceptional or a very much interesting. That is here the plant which we taken as a less juicy. Due to its less juicy character, we take the vehicle as a more rather than the our drug part. Now how to make our drug power? So before we go towards the preparation of a mother tincture, we should know the principle, and the principle says that we take the substance which is 2 part of the alcohol is present, in which 1 part of the plant part. So how we prepare? So our ratio is medicinal substance is to our strong alcohol or vehicle is equal to 1:2. So loss of medicine in that solution is what? Is equal to 2/3. So here the question is how the loss of medicine is 2/3 occur, and the net medicine is equal to in that solution is equal to 1 minus 2/3 is equal to 1/3. So if we consider here 1 part of the medicinal substance, after it we add 2 part of the vehicle, the total amount is 3. In the 3 amount of the solution, we contain 1 part of the medicine and 2 part of the vehicle. So 2 part is not covered up by medicine, so 2 part is lost. So which part is remain? 1 part is remain. So I mention 1:3. After that we go towards the our vehicle. How much vehicle is lost? In this figure you can, in this system you can see the vehicle which is not covered up, that is here 2/3 is covered up, then what amount is left? That is 1/3, because 1/3 is a medicinal substance, that this medicinal substance is not covered up by the vehicle. So for this the vehicle is equal to 1/6. So how the 1/6 is present? It is about 1/3, because vehicle loss is equal to the amount of substance which is present, that is net medicinal substance is equal to loss of vehicle substance, but it is about 1/3, but I mentioned 1/6. How it is occur? This is occur by multiplying 1:2. So how I multiply? Before I multiplication, I also mentioned that it is less juicy. Due to its less juicy character, we add more vehicle for the mixture. That is the main thing which makes this class more interesting. So now we go towards the net vehicle remain. Net vehicle present, that is equal to what? That is equal to here 1 minus 1/6 is equal to 6 minus 1, 5/6. It is in 1 part. For 2 part what amount is present? Or for 2 part is equal to, for 2 cc 5/6 into 2, that is what? That is 5/3. Why I mention 2 cc? Because for the easy calculation. Then I mention, so for drug power calculation we should know, for drug power, that is we take net medicine is equal to 1/3. Here net medicine is equal to 1/3. Here is the question arise that in this part we take why 1/3, why not 2/3? Because in this we add 2 volume. Why in this part we take, we do not add, do not multiply 2 cc or 2 only, we calculate on the basis of 1 cc. Here the question, all things are one reason, because of the less juicy character. So net medicinal substance is equal to 1/3 and net vehicle is equal to 5/3. So net volume of the mother tincture is equal to 1 by 3 plus 5 by 3, that is about 6 by 3, which is a 2 cc. And the net medicine present in the mother tincture, net medicine or the drug present in the mother tincture, which we called drug power, that is what? That is about 1 by 3 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 6. So how it is occur? That is net medicine is equal to 1 by 3, and 1 by 3 is present which what amount of drug? That is 2 amount. 2 cc contain, here the 2 cc means 2 cc, that is volume of mother tincture. 2 cc contain drug about 1 by 3. Then 1 cc contain what amount? It is just a unit wise mathematical calculation. What is it? 1 by 3 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 6. This is the thing. After that you can calculate the centesimal and the decimal. How? This is very simple. That the centesimal and for decimal we calculate by 1 by 6 means 6 minim of mother tincture plus 94, that is 100 minus 6, what? 94 minim of our dilute alcohol plus 10 downward stroke. This is the main thing which always remember. That is our 1C. For 2C there is nothing. One part of 1C plus 99 part means measurement. Here you can use minim, spoon, all these things, the measurement substance or the ingredients. 99 part of the dispensing alcohol, it is dilute alcohol. First we take strong, then dilute, then dispensing alcohol, and then 10 downward stroke. This is all about the 2C, and the next further potency is come across by knowing this principle of a 2C. And in the decimal scale, how we prepare? 1x, that is our 6 minim of mother tincture. With it we add what? That is 6 minim of mother tincture, we add 4 minim of, here 6 minim. How I write? Because of this drop power mention which amount is taken as a decimal and a centesimal. The 6 which is a denominator, which denote the minim or the amount of the measurement we take for the next potency preparation. For 4 minim of dilute alcohol plus 10 downward stroke. And for 2x, how? 1 part of 1x, with it 9 part of dispensing plus 10 downward stroke. That is the thing about the preparation of centesimal scale and decimal scale in class 3, and all those things of above to it are mentioned before, just as similar to this class 3. That is our procedure and our substance process of preparation of mother tincture. All these are simple or these are similar, so I do not mention in this video. I only mention the drop power. And the last thing, our class 4, which I mentioned, that class 4 prepare calculation of drop power. So how we mention, how we, here the principle we require. By knowing the principle we can calculate the drop power. So what is the principle says in class 4? That it is mainly contain dry plants. So the class 4 contain dry plants, and the principle is that 5 part of the strong alcohol, with it 1 part of the medicinal substance. You can see that how much amount of vehicle is required, because it is a dry plant. That is the main thing which makes these classes are more interesting and more valuable. That's 5 part of the strong alcohol, with it 1 part of the medicinal substance, so that the substance get well mixed up and makes our tincture best. Then the preparation of mother tincture. What is the requirement? That is required material and procedure. All these things are very much similar with the class before we discuss the classes which we discuss in the class 1 and the class 2. These are all similar, and the calculation of power. So how we calculate? I written that all this. You can see that in the calculation of a draw power we take one part of the principle is 1 part is to 5 part. That is 1 part of the mother tincture with medicinal substance with it 5 part of the vehicle. Which vehicle? Strong vehicle, strong alcohol. Why we take strong alcohol? Because of what? Because of preparation of mother tincture. So how do we prepare? That 1 cc of mother tincture. For 1 cc of mother tincture we require drug, and the drug part, the amount of drug which is lost in that 1 cc of mother tincture is that loss of drug is equal to 1/1 into 1/2, that is 1/2. So how I mention that? You can see that 1 part is dissolved with 5 part of the vehicles to make that solution. So 1 part is not remain because it is only mixed up with the vehicle to mix. It is work out with the 5 part of the vehicle to make the solution. So 1 part get lost, and it is 1/1. But for easy calculation, I multiply 1/2. That is 1/2, and so net drug in 1 cc is equal to 1 minus 1/2, that is 1/2. So in this way 1 cc content vehicle loss is equal to what? Is equal to 1/5, because 5 part is only mixed up with 1 part. So 5 part is not remain as a vehicle, it is got mixed up. So 1/5 is got mixed up, due to which 1 cc content loss vehicle is equal to 1/2. But before we multiply 1/2 in all those substance, because of easy calculation, in this 1/5 I also multiply 1/2, that is 1/10. So in net remain vehicle is equal to what? 1 minus 1/10, that is what? That is 9/10. It is 1 cc. It is for 1 cc. For 5 grain, or for the preparation of a mother tincture for 5 part, that is 5. Why we mention 5? Multiply because of its dry substance we take, due to which I multiply 5 again for the easy calculation. With it the dry drug substance is dissolved, more necessary requirement is more for the vehicle, due to which I again multiply 5, which is 9/2. For preparation of a drug power, then drug power is, for finding drug power we require 3 things. That is net drug, with it vehicle plus mother tincture, which makes the drug power. So net drug, in this calculation we found net drug is equal to 1/2. So 1/2. Vehicle, how much is in vehicle is remain? 9/2. So 1/2 plus 9/2, that is what? 10/2, that is 5 cc. So 5 part of mother tincture contain drug is equal to what? 1/2. So 1 part contain 1/2 into 1/5, that is 1/10. So for decimal in class 4 we take decimal and centesimal, and for decimal and centesimal we require decimal means here the denominator is 10, so 10 meaning 10 meaning means here the things which I mentioned, that 1x potency, 1x 10 meaning means here you can see that 1x potency is equal to 1 mother tincture. So here the mother tincture which we prepare in the class 4 is equal to the 1x, that is the thing. And in the next I will mention, but the pen is color is less. So in the centesimal scale, 10 minimum of drug, with it 90 minimum of vehicle, that is our dilute alcohol, plus 10 downward stroke, that is our first C. And for 2C we require 1 part of 1C plus 1 part 99 part of dispensing alcohol plus 10 downward stroke. And in the decimal scale, 1x means first decimal scale is equal to first mother tincture, and for the next decimal scale, that is 1 part of 1x, with it 1 part of the dispensing alcohol plus 1 part of the dispensing alcohol plus 10 downward stroke. With this we complete all the class. For a short quick review, I mentioned that in the class 1 I take large quantity of a juice drug. With it we add, the principle is that 1 part of the weight of the drug, with it 1 part of the weight of strong alcohol. After that we go towards the preparation of a mother tincture, and here the calculation is done by the to find out the drug power, and the drug power is equal to 1 by 2, and by this knowing the drug power we can go towards the next potency. Here we will discuss. After that we go towards the second part, that is our second potency. And for the class 2 we know the principle says that 3:2, that is medicine part is 3 part and alcohol part is, or the vehicle is equal to 2, to make a one main solution, that is more that is for making a solution of 1 cc we require 2:3 part of the strong alcohol with medicinal substance, and our drug power which we find in that 1 by 2. After that we go towards the class 3, and class 3 and class 4 is mainly a dry substance. So due to this dry character we require more vehicle, and which makes the power less different from that one first and second class. So here the third class, the mother, we take 2 part of the alcohol, with it 1 part of the plant part, and we find our drug power is equal to what, 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is our drug power. In that drug power is equal to 1 by 6 we find. And in the next, that is our class 4, we find 5 part of the strong alcohol, with it 1 part of the medicinal substance, and all the preparation of mother tincture and the calculation of a drug power, all these are preparation and preparation of a mother tincture, that is required material and procedure. All of those classes are similar. So if you know one class, you can retain all those things, same things, that is no changes occur, but the drug power and the calculation of a drug power is different. So I mention all those things in this video. Thank you.